Hey, Ken again. Welcome back to Collecting from A to Z. Boy, what a great week. I had several chances to get to some thrift stores and I found some really great stuff. But the word of the week this week was games, games, games. Lots and lots of games, sealed games. So be on the lookout for those and I'll show you what's in the trunk. All right, let's start with a game. Here's a game right here. I've never heard of it before. Konexi. It's a gravity-defying word game. You make words and you hook them together, and it says, stack letters, build words, but don't let the tower fall. That was pretty nice. Sealed, ready to go. I found this latch hook rug, or not a rug, but a kit, and it's a prize kitty, whatever that means. All right. I found another Oxford University hat, and this one was 75% off, so that only cost 50 cents. And it came from the university shop, Oxford, established 1846. Pretty cool. All right, what else here? Oh, here's a game. I tell you, it's all about games. Tic-tac-check. It is a chess type of game on a 4x4 surface, and that was $2. It's got instructions in several languages. It's pretty cool, and it's wooden. All right, then I got this game called Nefarious. The mad scientist game. Let's see if I can get this open here. This one is in open condition, but everything is there, and it was half off, so that only cost $2. It's a strategy game by Donald X. Vaccarino. That's pretty cool. Let's see if I can get that out of the way for a second. All right, then I got another board game. This one is called Ticket to Ride. And this is a pretty cool game. It says it was the 2004 German Game of the Year. Ticket to Ride. Has a board game that looks like a map of the United States. 2 to 5 players. Looks like a lot of fun. And I think that cost $4. Then I got another, this is more than a game. This is a item called Auto Bridge. The box is in fantastic condition, and it costs $2. And it teaches you how to play bridge by yourself. You can have cards in here, play hands, it auto bids, teaches you how to play bridge. That's pretty neat. Then I got this tennis racket, brand new, still has the plastic on the handle. It's brand new with, well, there's no tag on it, but it still has that on it. And this was a couple dollars, $3, and those are going for about $20, so not too bad. I've got some more stuff here. I've got a Mancala game, one of those stone games, brand new in the package. $3 on that. I got this eyelet plier kit, they call it. I think that was a couple dollars, and that's selling for about $14. And I've got a couple of dishes here. I've got this. This is a depression glass, pink, which is always the most desirable color to get, and it costs 99 cents. And it is Anchor Hocking bread and butter plate, or small salad plate. And I think that might be close to it. No, down in here, I got these two books for $1 each. Eyewitness Travel and Insight Guides. These are nice, collectible, not collectible, people want these when they travel. And I'll just put these two together, make it more of a bargain. I think that is just about it. That's it. That's what's in the trunk for this week. I appreciate you guys coming back and checking out the channel. Make sure you hit the bell when you subscribe so you'll get notification when I make new videos. I'm getting ready to go into the death piles I have. We'll find out what's in there. I was taking a look the other day and I've got some amazing stuff that I have actually just forgotten about. So I'm looking forward to getting this new stuff that I got today listed at Collecting from A to Z. And the site for eBay is Collecting A to Z. So subscribe, leave comments, let me know what you think about what I found today, and I'll see you on the next video.